Question number A, we have to prove a trigonometric identity. So left hand side is 2 cosec A. Now we know cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So this would be 2 is the constant. So this would be divided by sine twice A minus. Now cot. Cot we know is the reciprocal of tan, 1 by tan. And we know tan is sine by cos. So 1 by sine by cos is cos A by sine A. So this is the left hand side. So we can write this as 2 sine twice A is the sine double angle half angle identity. So we know this is 2 sine A cos A. So minus this is cos A and this is sine A. So if you take the LCM, this 2 and 2 cancels out. So we have sine A, sine A. So we can write sine A and we have cos A left. So this is going to be cos A. So the LCM is going to be sine A, cos A, sine A, cos A matches. This is going to be 1 minus sine A matches into cos A. So this is going to be cos squared A. So now we know 1 minus cos squared A is sine squared A. So now we have sine A cos A. So what happens is that this sine A and this cancels off. So we have sine A by cos A. So sine A by cos A is going to be, so it's going to be tan A. Therefore, left hand side is identical to right hand side. Proved. Now in question number B, what we have is we have to solve this equation from 0 to pi by 2, that's in radian. So we have to solve 2 cosec 4 theta minus cot 2 theta equals to square root of 3. Now take a look, they have written hence. That means we have to use the identity given in the previous sum. So if you take a look, 2 and 2 matches, cosec 2a cosec 4 theta minus cot A minus cot 2 theta. That means A must be equal to 2 theta. So that 2A means 2 into 2 theta, which is 4 theta. So instead of this, we can write tan A. That means tan 2 theta. So we can directly write, therefore, tan 2 theta equals to square root of 3. And we can solve like trigonometric equation solving. So it's positive. So first quadrant and third quadrant. So the basic angle is going to be 2 theta equals to tan inverse of square root of 3. So tan inverse of square root of 3 is going to be 60 degree, which is pi by 3. That means this is going to be pi by 3 and this is going to be pi by 3. So we have 2 theta equals to pi by 3 and 2 theta equals to pi plus pi by 3, which is going to be 4 pi by 3. But since this is a multiple angle, we have to do 2 more. So that means the first one is pi by 3, the second one is 4 pi by 3, and then we have 360 plus, that means 2 pi plus 4 pi by 3 and 2 pi plus pi by 3. Let me write pi by 3 first, then plus 4 pi by 3. So now we can simplify this. First of all, theta is going to be pi by 3 divided by 2 is pi by 6. So the range has to be half, less than pi by 2. So coefficient has to be less than half. So 1 by 6 is less than half. Then we have 4 pi by 3 divided by 2, which is 4 pi by 6. So 4 pi by 6, if you simplify, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. 2 by 3 is more than half. We cannot take this. So the only answer would be pi by 6. In the next question, we have tan theta plus cot theta equals to 5. Now again from the identity, instead of tan theta, we can write 2 cosec 2 theta minus cot theta. That's what we can write instead of tan theta. And we already have a cot theta. So this is equals to 5. So the cot theta and cot theta cancels off. So the only thing we have left is 2 cosec 2 theta equals to 5. So if we send the 2 to the other side, it becomes 5 by 2. Now cosec is the reciprocal of sine. That means 1 by sine 2 theta equals to 5 by 2. If you cross multiply, it becomes sine 2 theta equals to 2 by 5. So now we can just solve this. So the quadrant is going to be the first quadrant and the second quadrant, sine theta positive. Therefore, 2 theta equals to sine inverse of 2 by 5. So since the range is from 0 to pi by 2, so we have to find this in the radian mode. So let's bring out the calculator. We have to convert the mode to the radian mode. So this is going to be, so the radian mode here. So sine inverse of 2 by 5, which is zero point 0.4. So that is going to be 0.412. So this is going to be 0.412. 0.412. So 2 theta, the first quadrant is going to be 0.412, and 2 theta, the second quadrant is going to be 180 minus, means pi minus 0.412. So which turns out to be shift pi minus 0.412. So that is 2.73. So since the range is 0 to 2 pi, I don't think we need to do the next revolution because we might not be needing it. So let's find it. So 2 theta equals to 0.412 and 2.73. So remember, pi by 2 means pi is roughly 3.142. So pi by 2 means 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So let's check whether our values are within that range. So 0.412 divided by 2 is 0.206, that means 0.21, and 2.73 divided by 2, so 2.73 divided by 2 is going to be 1.37, so 1.37, so that's good enough. Now it's always a good idea to check whether they ask for decimal places or significant figures. So let me check. So they have asked for 3 significant figure. So that means our answer has to be, this is 3 significant figure, but this one 0.412 divided by 2. So that one has to be, so 0.412 divided by 2. It will be 0.206, 3 significant figures. So this will be 206.